This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
Today we have a really easy one. This is an LG washer dryer that has a leaky drain hose. So the hose in the back is cracked and leaking water all over. We remove the back panel by taking out these 4 screws and just lifting the back panel out. That's going to give us good access to that drain line. So it's going to be pretty easy to do. We have the new part. I'm going to lean the machine back, have it unplugged, lean it back to about 45 degrees against the wall. And that's so I can get underneath it, and then I can remove where the drain line is connected to the drain pump. And once it's connected, I can go ahead and pull the old drain line out by just pulling toward me. I do have to take the spring clamp off of the end that was connected to the drain pump, so I'm just going to use my fingers to pull that off. And once that's off, I'll be able to just snake this old drain pipe out from the hole in the back of the LG washer dryer. So just going to pull that out. And that was just getting old and cracked because the plastic was getting brittle. So we got the new one. It's just a really simple part. We're going to put the straight part of it up through the hole, coming in from inside the machine, going out away from the machine. And that's the one that's going to go into the standpipe in the wall where all the wastewater goes. So I'll go ahead and do that. I'll pull out the old one, put in the new one into the standpipe. I'm going to put it in about probably a foot, about 12 inches in is going to be great. Too far in, it can actually cause a siphoning problem when the washing machine fills. So you don't want to get those drain hoses to go too far into the standpipe. So here's the old one. And I'm underneath the washing machine, and I'm putting the drain pipe onto the drain hose. It has this 90-degree angle rubber boot. I'm going to just push that down right under the drain hose and kind of wiggle and push down until it seats all the way down. And then I'll use a pair of pliers to squeeze in on the hose clamp and get that secured down nice and tight to hold that onto the drain pump. Really easy to do. These LG washer dryers almost always have this big opening on the bottom, so once you tilt them back, you can get in there and do all this work to the drain system. I'm going to go ahead and secure the drain line into this white plastic clip here near the back of the washing machine. And then I'll go ahead and set the washing machine back down flat, because right now I have it leaned back at 45 degrees. So just get back up and go ahead and set it down flat. And now I'm taking the drain line and securing it with a little plastic clamp that we took out when we removed the old one. It's held in by a Phillips head screw. So there's a little hole inside the frame. Put that back in, and then we'll zip that in with the Phillips head screwdriver. And then we're pretty much done. The only thing we need to do next is just to put the rear panel back on. So we've put it down into the slats on the back, and then we'll feed in the slats at the top. We have to kind of bend this plate to get the top slats to go in. You just bend it outwardly towards you and then put in the top slats. There we go. And then we're going to add the 4 Phillips head screws that hold on the plate. This will just take you probably 10 minutes to do this whole procedure. Really fast and easy. These LG washer dryers are pretty cool. You know, you just put the clothes in and it does the washing and the drying. But this same procedure will work for the LG washing machine too. So we're just going to push this now back into the cabinet. These are so small, they barely take up any room. And I just want to test it. I'll fill it with some water by doing a normal cycle. And then I'll turn off the power, turn the power back on, and put it on drain and spin just to make sure it can get rid of all that water. Pretty common, these hoses do crack. Sometimes they crack near the drain motor itself, and sometimes, probably more commonly, they crack actually behind the machine, so you can actually see where that crack is. The homeowner had done a really good job, though, of just taking a piece of clear urethane pipe from the hardware store and using it to patch where the crack was with a couple of hose clamps. I think the problem was that it was so brittle it ended up cracking again away from where he did the repair. So I have it on the drain cycle now. Started that, and it's draining the water, and then it'll start to spin. And it's working great. So it got rid of all the water really fast. No leaking. I'll show you guys just a quick picture of how the homeowner had done the repair. It's not a bad idea at all. It just didn't last long enough. So uses this clear plastic pipe and then a couple of hose clamps. Pretty smart. So hopefully this new drain pipe is going to work for you too and get your machine working well without a leak. And thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.